Believe it or not, I'm pretty sure that the first person who said love is in the heart was a poet. Now how do I know this? Because there are things that I notice. You know, poets have a way of turning things around in a suave kind of way. I was showing my girlfriend the other day. I asked her, what would you choose between your heart and your brain? She looked at me and smiled and finally said, my heart. With a straight face, I asked her why. She said, because without the heart, there will be no love, and without love, there will be no life. You know, without life, there will be no us. I then said, okay, you've tried to share your opinion, so let me share mine. Because it's about time for someone to put some sense in your mind and put you on the line. Because believe it or not, I'm pretty sure that the first person who said love is in the heart was a poet. In fact, he was white. Not that I'm trying to leave the ladies and blacks out. For a moment, just hear me out. After this piece, I'll probably black out. Cause I didn't write this for a few snaps and a couple of taps. Like Muhammad Ali, I just wanna throw some few jabs. Tell me this, why is it that when someone points a gun or throws a stone, the first thing you protect is the head? Now all of a sudden, why you're quiet? You heard what I said, so don't pretend to be deaf and dumb. Cause deep down, you know that your mind is worth more than your heart. Let's rewind this, let me remind you. It's like the brain does all the work and the heart takes all the credit. Got it? Cause my brain is now saying, fuck it, I'm done with this shit. If I was my brain, I'd go mad and lose the shit. It's my brain talking, I just lost it. You know, I'm done with making art for fun. It's time for protest art. And I'm protecting my craft. Cause believe it or not, I'm pretty sure that the first person who said love is in the heart was a poet. Or maybe it was some dumb scientist who couldn't solve a simple sum, denying God and putting us on a cheap price so we come from chimpanzees. And this is not a diss. All I'm trying to say is that, baby, you're in the wrong lane. Love is not in your heart, it's in your brain. Shit, I forgot. You've been brainwashed. Well, let me give you a piece of my mind. And if you still believe that fuckers are alive, then you're definitely dumb. Baby, don't let the system stick their hands up your ass and control you like a puppet. Starship be a legend Paul. I'm out.
Another one from Newcastle.